Hi amazing peoples, and welcome to all of you in this new series of the video. Before going in the details, I hope you as well as your family will be very safe and keep very healthy and remain yourself in the home. Do not go outside unless until it doesn't require urgent, because this is the greatest tragedy for the every human being in this pandemic of the COVID-19. So come on this video, where I am sure or not, this video is relevant, yeah, right for you or not, because this is a awareness video. This is like the eye opener, and it will very helpful to set up very challenging questions whenever you make personal mission statement for your career, for your business. It will very helpful, sir. And that's why this is the this is the very crucial for your growing careers, your growing business. So listen very carefully and come close. Indian economics is going to achieve $5 trillion by 2025. How you see yourself of this statement? How you decode your value for getting maximum benefit of this expansion of the Indian economy by 2025? How you unlock your value? What is your due in this GDP, expansion of the GDP? What is your allocation? What is your contributions? So there is a lot of questions we have to ask. We have to introspect ourselves, and we have to ask: are you ready to grasp maximum benefit? Are you ready to unlock your value so that you can get maximum benefit? Are you ready to enhance your competency, enhance your capability, enhance your skill, enhance your value, so you can give the major contribution for your company, for your sectors? Once you will get, it will be very helpful to build your own accumulation of your wealth. Since last 30 years, we have seen a lot of sector, a lot of company got benefited from the liberalization of the Indian economics. In 1990, when when an Indian country got liberalized and got interaction with the global country, and we have seen there is a lot of growth story of the everyone's, every employee, every company which is belonging in the particular sectors. So it took 30 years to reach $2.7 trillion right now, which is the fifth largest Indian economic, and this is the third largest in the purchasing power. So India is the country where there is a huge possibility, there is a huge opportunity to grasp maximum benefit and get wealthy, and it will help to accumulate up a lot of wealth, accumulate a lot of reach, and which is helpful to live your luxurious life. So my dear friend, what we have to do for that? This is a very challenging questions. We seen within the 5 years there is a huge opportunity, and it is going to double in their size, and major contribution it will come from the service sector, where maximum people are working on that particular sectors, and the company which is working on these sectors, particular sectors, they will got maximum benefit of this expansion of the business. It is like the real growth, real expansion. It is not like the bubble, because this will be the real real demand, real supply of the Indian economics. So being the corporate employee of the particular company, particular sectors, and you people have a lot of responsibility to contribute major in the GDP. So if you are not ready to enhance your value, if you are not ready to grab this opportunity, so you will be not you should be not more advantage to get advantage of the Indian economy. You will enhance only as per Indian per capita income. It will enhance just 40%, 50%. So you are satisfied with this your growth. You have to think, you have to ask yourself. Because as this video, as I told, there is a what is the possibility, what is the opportunity for yourself, and what you have to do. So my dear friend, in the next video I will tell about that, how you unlock your value, how you enhance your competency and enhance your capability. It is totally on your personal development, it is totally on your personal growth, because every company like the value, and if you do not give the value, other employee will be the give the value. So being the living from so many years in the particular company, so what you have to do, what you have to identify, that how can you give the maximum value. It is before that, how can you create, how can enhance your competency, how can you enhance your capability, so that you can help to give the value. Otherwise it will not very helpful. So my dear friend, must watch next video. It is for you, it is your for career development, it is for your personal development, it is for you grasp maximum benefit for the expansion. So you should be the ready to grasp and enhance your competency, enhance your capability. You should be ready to grasp maximum benefit of the Indian economics. You should be ready to ask your very challenging questions, where you stand right now, where you want to see after 5 years, what you is stopping you for reaching there, reaching on that place. So this is the question we are going to cover in the next video, so must watch. Thank you very much.